How to get Meta AI on WhatsApp. So first things first, guys, head over to your Play Store and search for the WhatsApp Messenger app and make sure that your WhatsApp Messenger is fully updated, because if it's not updated, then they cannot add in the Meta AI update. Basically, what Meta has done is that it has successfully integrated Meta AI into all three of its social media platforms, which is Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram. So you're naturally going to have Meta AI incorporated into your WhatsApp Messenger. Now to look that up, what you're going to do is you're going to head over to your WhatsApp Messenger onto the application. And as you can see right here, on the top search bar, it says ask Meta AI or search. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to ask Meta AI from these multiple different prompts that it provides. The first thing I could ask it to do is personal style quiz. As you can see, this is the chat that I specifically have with Meta AI, and Meta AI is naturally just going to come up onto WhatsApp. So this is one way for you to get it. If you do not see Meta AI incorporated onto your WhatsApp application or your Messenger, all you have to do is simply head over to your Play Store or App Store and quickly just update the Messenger. And that is just going to incorporate Meta AI onto your application as well. As you can see from here, I can speak, talk, ask it to generate images, and basically ask the Meta AI all of my queries. So guys, this is how you can get Meta AI on WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like, comment down below, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel.